just don't think we have enough conversation about the male nature. Because I don't know about the mother niggas. But me, this one here, when this first popped up, my first thought was delicious. It's delicious. Right? I'm sorry, sweetheart. I mean to be freaky on you, but it's just the need for discussion and the truth, and right? This is sexy. And I don't like thongs. I like pants go all the way around the ass, one piece. I like to see it through the material, silky smooth. All right, all those thighs. That's what it is. This goes right up there. And I recently just realized that I like heels. That shows a thigh. There, right there. Right, feels so good. Right. This is important, right? And you just want to sniff her, caress her, feel her. Not necessarily her specifically, women in general, but at the same time, her specifically, right? Just feel her, because y'all feel so good, and that's the thing. Y'all feel so good. Well, once again, this may be exclusive to moi, but y'all just feel so good, just externally. You feel good, you look good, you look beautiful. And I don't know if it's just the same experience for women as they look at men. If they did, it doesn't lead as easily to the sexual aspect of it as it does for us. And if you see us as sexy and beautiful, it doesn't lead to sex. I guess it may lead to love. Right? Is that what it leads to? Because for us, it leads to, I want to feel you. Some, I want to taste you how it should be. Right? Mm.